My name is Michael Miano again here, and today we want to do something called compost tea. How to prepare compost tea, and I have 4 different types of materials to use. First, I have the goat manure. It's the goat manure. I have Tithonia. It's called Tithonia diphosphorus, or the Mexican sunflower. I have what we call the Lantana Camara. This is the Lantana Camara. And lastly, I have what we call the Mexican marigold. Mexican marigold. All I just call it Mexican marigold. Now what you do, you cut this material into smaller pieces. The 3 of them, the marigold, the Lantana Camara, and the Tithonia diphosphorus. Then for the manure, the goat manure, you put them in a bag that is perforated. That is, it can allow water, the movement of water in and outside the bag. Then after that, when you merge them in water. Let's put the water here. Because what we want to do is do what we prepare compost tea. So first fill the drum to 3/4 full. Then prepare your ingredients.
May ano may rekati.
Now we are in the process of putting the materials. You can see the water is very clear. So you can see the water is very clear. So I want to put the 4 different materials at different times. So I will start with Tithonia diphosphorus. Just put them. That is Tithonia. Then I will follow them with Lantana Camara. Remember, the first thing that we should chop them into smaller pieces. The smallest become good. So take Lantana Camara, put it there. Another piece of Lantana Camara, put it there. Enough Lantana Camara. So keep adding. Now you're putting Mexican marigold. On top of the Lantana Camara. Remember, down you have the Tithonia diphosphorus. We have 4 components. Now lastly we put the goat manure. So what do you got? Now you can see our final product. You can see the water has already changed. It was very clear, but now you can see some change in color, meaning already the nutrient is coming out from the product. Remember, you have 4. At the bottom we have the Tithonia, Diphosphorus, we have the Lantana Camara, and we have what we call the Mexican marigold. Then on top, we have the goat manure. So this product, what happened, it's what we call a compost tea. Compost tea has two characteristics. One, it has the insecticidal side of it, where it can be used as insecticide against most of the pests attacking the crop. Then we have the compost part of it. Remember, the goat manure is releasing out the nutrients, and the major nutrient is the nitrogen. So that is all about the compost. Finally, you come and cover with that. So in summary, what we are saying, compost tea is a kind of fertilizer, organic fertilizer, and it is also organic chemical, especially for pests. In making or in preparing that compost tea, you may use different plant materials, but for our case, we have only used 4. We have used the Tithonia Diphosphorus, the Mexican sunflower, we have used the Lantana Camara, and also we have used the Mexican marigold. So those are the products that we have used, and then on top we have used the goat manure for the nutrients. And the purpose is simply to make the compost tea for nutrient and as pesticide. You put them in water, cover them, wait for like three days. It will be ready to use. You may decide to do it to give it on the soil, or you may decide to spray it just as chemical, as a foliar fertilizer. So thank you.